Hello, this is Nick with Clark County Plumbing and Drain. I'm at job site address 14917 Northeast 319th Street in Battleground, Washington. This is a video inspection of a 36-inch storm drain. I've gained access through the downstream exit towards the Big Red Barn. I pushed out as far as I can to approximately 63 feet, and I'm going to pull backwards. This will be a reverse video inspection. Light at the end there is the exit side. I can't quite push all the way out that far. Once I get back to this entrance that I went up through, we're going to pause the video and go over to that other side and push up as far as we can. Hello, this is Nick with Clark County Plumbing and Drain again. I've gained access to the upstream side of this culvert. I've pushed up as far as I can, approximately 62 feet. We're about 20 feet off from where we left off on the other side. So I'm going to pull back from here. So this will be a reverse video inspection. You can see here it's holding a little bit of water here, just a little belly in it. See some minor roots here in the bottom of the pipe. And here I am back at the entrance, kind of holding it at the top of the pipe here. And this concludes our video inspection.